I'm just gonna do it again because I gotta get rid of this extra unit. I kind of messed up when I was putting it in. So let me go back to top of masonry. All right, do this. Draw a duct. Set your width to 68. Set your height to 20. Then check right here, reference level, and make sure it says TOM, top of masonry. Make sure your middle elevation is set to -27. When you come over here, you just go until it snaps right to the middle, pick. And then you're going to drag out 3'6" or whatever and pick. And it should turn blue if it placed a duct and connected it. Your AC unit should turn blue. Yeah. The whole thing with this is you're controlling your vertical by using the offset. You know, just like when we do any type of you're going to find out when we do plumbing later on. That's another thing. If you want the plumbing pipe to go up into the ceiling and then over, you have to control it with the offset. If you want it to go down into the floor, negative offset. You'll see, you'll get used to using that. Okay, let me take a quick look. It might be because of that template too. I don't. Oh, you got it backwards. That's 68. This is 20. It was trying to draw it backwards. That's fine. All right, and top of masonry, middle elevation should be -27. Drag out. And hit cancel. All right. Okay. Now let's say that we say, okay, our roof unit's in, we got our plenum in, we feel good about it. Make sure you go back in this view and turn underlay back to none. Wherever it's at. Geez, I missed it. Oh, wait, I'm not in the view. That's why I was still placing a duct. All right, underlay, change that back to none. And then move on the screen. And you should see that your duct work from level 3 disappear. Okay. Now we're going to start down on level 1. Okay. So we're going to go to level 1 ceiling and look at what you see right here. See here, there's that duct that shoots out. Here's our other 2 that we want to connect in. We're not going to connect them quite yet. Okay, and I'm going to show you why we're not going to connect them. We're going to work on getting this duct capped. We have to put an end cap on it right here. We're going to do that first. Then we're going to copy that duct and end cap up to level 2 and level 3. Okay, so watch. Go to your fittings, duct fittings right here. Look for standard end cap. Rectangular standard end cap. Rectangular cross. You're going to have a whole bunch of them. Okay. Here, rectangular end cap standard. Pick that. Then watch this. As you move close, you'll see it pop up. Watch, move close to the middle. Boom, there it is. Then connect it on and pick. And you've just capped that now. Now, if I go back to the 3D view, I just want to do this to show you something. If I zoom in here, see, here's this duct right here. And then watch, as I move close to the end, there's the cap. See the cap? I'm highlighting it right now. Capping that piece of duct. Okay. All right, back to the level 1 ceiling. Now we have to grab this and copy it to our other levels. I saw you had an elbow. You're supposed to use mitered taps for that duct.
For this.
For your plenum. Yeah, why has it got an elbow in there? Oh, mitered. You didn't do mitered. You did like radius taps or something. I just noticed it because I just happened to glance over there. Here's what it should look like. You should have just a corner piece right there. Mitered elbow taps or something like that is what it was. Wait a minute, let me look here. I got it. Rectangular mitered elbow taps. That's what you want. Okay. Now we got to copy this to level 2 and level 3. Watch how easy this is. All you do is put a window around it. Now I'm putting an inside window and I'm grabbing the cap and that piece of duct. That's it. Don't grab this down here because that's your plenum. Just the duct and the cap. Okay. Hit Control C. Then go to level 2 ceiling. And I want you to hit under paste, hit align to current view. Boom, puts it in. Go to level 3 ceiling. And then under paste, hit align to current view. Boom, it puts it in. Now, what did we do? Well, if you go to your 3D, you'll see if you zoom out. Look what I did. See, I put 1 on 3, 1 on 2, and we have 1 down on 1.
Right place.
It's okay. Some of them will. And here's what's going to happen. Watch. This is the next thing I'm going to show you. If we mouse over this unit and we do tab, 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 pick, notice that the 2 that we copied are not connected to the system. Okay. So the next thing we got to do is take those 2 that we put in there. All we did was said, take this piece of duct and this cap, copy it up, copy it up. We didn't tell it to make it part of that system. Now, why is this one connected? Because when we put the plenum in and ran that duct, we ran it out. So it keeps that one part of the system because it was all put in at the same time. All right, go to level 2 ceiling, and we're going to make that duct connection now. Watch this. Here's all you do. Click on the duct. Click and hold on this connector right here. Drag it away and let go so that it's like that. Then click and hold, drag it back until it snaps to it and let go. And it'll put a spacer in there for you, but it'll connect.
Minor taps.
Yeah, I know. Hold on. I'm going to have to undo. I'll go back and I'll go through it one more time. So let me undo till I lose them. There they are. Let's see. What do I have here now? Okay, so I only have this one now, the cap and this one.